Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the playback speed for videos on YouTube using your PC. It's a simple process that can enhance your viewing experience. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Step 2. Go to the desired video and click on it to open it. Step 3. When the video starts playing, click on the settings icon. Step 4. Click on playback speed. Step 5. Select your desired speed. That's it. You've successfully changed the playback speed for your YouTube videos on your PC. Now you can watch videos at a faster or slower pace depending on your preference. Remember, adjusting the playback speed can be useful when you want to watch tutorials in slow motion or quickly skim through lengthy videos. It's a handy feature that YouTube offers to enhance your viewing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.